The purpose of this video clip is to clarify the simplicity of electronic manufacturing plant assembly. ESD standards are to prevent damaging electronic components. Cleaning after components are mounted is important. Incoming inspection ensures the correct components were received. Factory authorized sources is crucial. Kitting is gathering all components for an assembly 1 week before being placed on the floor. An SMT procedure is a multi-step process to solder SMT components to a PCB. A solder paste dispenser stencil has holes that are aligned with the PCB component pads. The end result is solder paste on the correct PCB pads. An SMT robotic machine places SMT components on a PCB that already has solder paste on the pads. The end result is correct components on the correct PCB pads. After the SMT robotic machine is finished, the PCB assembly is placed on the reflow oven conveyor belt. The end result is SMT components soldered to the PCB. When SMT components are on both sides, the PCB is run upside down on the robotic machine and reflow oven. A wave solder conveyor moves the assembly across molten solder. The end result is pin-through-hole components soldered to the PCB. These are some wave solder considerations. Good solder flow is important. A solder fountain tub needs the correct size and shape. It's faster than hand soldering. Some components are hand soldered because other soldering options are not feasible. A cold solder joint is the most difficult to detect. As the soldering process uses flux, the PCB needs to be cleaned. Contaminants can result in unwanted connections. An in-circuit test fixture is a fixture that is a hunk of metal with spring-loaded holes. A functional test station verifies the assembly is fully functional and can calibrate. Conformal coating protects assemblies. Test prior to coating. If conformal coated, it is important to test the assembly after conformal coating. The assembly is placed in an ESD bag before shipping. This concludes the simplicity of electronic manufacturing plant assembly.